Hello guys, today I will review this wire stripper with you. It's a very useful and important tools for the electronics hobbyist. Here I am using these tools. It's from ProsKit brand and the model number is CP080E. Now I will show you how to use this stripper and how can we strip any kind of wire using this tool. At first, I will show you how to strip this kind of jumper wire. This jumper wire is very useful in electronic circuit. If we want to strip some cover from this cable, just adjust the depth and place the wire in the stripper and press it. And look here, the stripper strip the wires very smoothly and the cover didn't damaged. Now I will show you how to strip this kind of ribbon cable. This ribbon cable is so much flexible and it's so risky to strip using cutter, so that I will use this stripper. It's an automatic stripper. It can strip any kind of wire and any depth of the wire easily can be stripped. Just place the wire here and press the tool and the stripper automatically strips all the wire very smoothly. Okay guys, now I will show you how to strip this kind of ribbon cable. This ribbon cable is so much strong and it's very useful to use in professional circuit. If we fail to strip the wire smoothly, then it will look very unprofessional in our circuit. Okay, now I will strip this ribbon cable. Just place the ribbon cable here. At first we need to adjust the depth, how much we want to strip. Now place the cable here and press it, and the wire stripper strips the ribbon cable very smoothly. This kind of wire is very useful in house wiring. Now I will strip this using this tool. At first we need to set the depth, how much we want to strip. Now place your wire here and press the tool. Okay, our wire is smoothly stripped. No wire is damaged here. Now if we want to strip the wire in middle, we can also do that. For that, just look here. I want to strip the wire here. Just place the wire in stripper and press it. Okay, and we have successfully stripped the wire in middle. So guys, we can easily strip any kind of wire using this tool, and I hope all of you will collect this tool in your lab. This tool will be very helpful. If you have any question about this tool, you can ask me or comment here. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.